Hey, what's up guys? It's Pinecone. I'm just going to give you a little update on what I've been dealing through with the last week. I live outside New Orleans and I work in New Orleans. So we got affected decently with Hurricane Zeta. No major damage here. Matter of fact, we really didn't get any damage here at the house. But at work was another story. So here are the before videos that I took before the storm got really bad and we were busy chasing boats up and down the river and before the barge sunk and stuff like that. Enjoy. Man, that ceramic coating works great. Look, the rain don't even want to stick on it. I'm only doing 60, so I'm doing 10 under the limit. And the rain just sliding off. Love it. Probably don't even need the wipers on, to be honest with you, but that's just a safety caution. Can't even see New Orleans. We just hope that don't fall on us. And it still hasn't even hit us yet. And look at the white caps out there on the river. Ooh, I'm glad we ain't making pilot changes right now. Dude, look at that crane rocking. It is just throwing our boats around. Jesus. Don't worry, they got a bunch of lines on it. They should be good. But we are ready to go fetch them in case a line or a bit or something pops. Dude. Look at that thing. Rock. Holy cow. Well, at least I won't need to wash my car. Seems like the weather would be doing that for me. Well, we officially lost power. The guys are going to turn the generator on in the back. But look at the river now, y'all. Crane's really rocking now. Woo! But stuff just blowing all over the place. Oh crap. Just picked up really bad. Alright, we have a problem. I noticed the boat was getting a little low. We have a hole here. We have a hole in the front. Have a hole here. I can't see if you can tell right over there. So the Brandon G is in worse shape than I thought. I just noticed this. The water is just pouring in. This is the mid compartment underneath the cabin here. This window's busted. This window's busted. This window's busted. These are busted up here. All this is busted. The rack is bent up here. The antennas are down on it. That's on the Jet. On the Brandon G, the rack is completely, it's up there, but it's all, the welds are busted on it. This is completely busted away from this, completely, as you can see. And I believe that's all I see on the Brandon as of right now. Oh, this window's busted. On the Brandon, that's the port side. Door window. Everything else looks good on the Brandon. And the Barbon G's right there, but I can't tell what's on it. So that's the damage update.